Yo, what up guys? It's a Double Moto.
This is Jazzy Jeff.
We're back with another review. What are we doing, bro?
Oh, so today we are reviewing the new DMP integrated taillight for the FZ-10.
MT-10 in Europe.
And yeah, so we got that from Revzilla for, it's I think on 10% discount right now.
Hell yeah.
You can probably get it around $105.
Yep.
It comes in two different colors, either the clear or the smoked one. So I ordered the smoked one.
Smoke, baby.
Alright.
Alright, let's check this out.
You can put the music when you say let's check it out, right there.
Okay. Yeah.
Say let's check it out. Alright, let's check this out.
Alright. Here it is!
Here it is, there you go. DMP Dynamic Moto Power integrated taillight.
What's in the box, Jazzy Jeff? What is in the box?
It is the tail light right here.
Cool. That's it?
That's it. That's it. Here it is. Right here is the smoked version of the FZ-10 taillight.
So, any reason why you got the smoked instead of the clear?
I think it's just a personal preference. For me, I think the FZ-10, the frame, the engine, everything is like black, so it just blend it in. You know, even the back part doesn't matter. Like if you have the gray or the blue or or the red color, the back part is the black. I just wanted to blend it in. It just looks super cool, and that's why I went for the smoked instead of the clear one. For the installation, there's a, go on to Revzilla.com, scroll down when you're searching it, and there's an installation PDF that can help you install it. And another reason why I got it is like, I didn't like the, I don't want the turn signals at the back. It just kind of like looks bulky. I just wanted like very slim, slim and toned down.
Right.
So that's why I ordered this one. We'll be putting this on and we will show it to you guys how it looks like and how it works, how the turn signals. Yeah. We might need those aftermarket, I think what's it called, like little resistors to slow down the turn signals, but I'm not gonna use that. It doesn't really matter. Yeah. As long as they're working, that's fine for me.
Start her up, bro.
I want to start it up so bad.
So I'm gonna hit the brake. So that's what it looks like, guys. So it's got those. It's actually pretty nice.
It's pretty good.
OEM one.
OEM, it's all full LED.
Yeah.
Yeah. My main reason to get it was to get rid of the turn signals and everything, so it looks more like slim right here. So that I can also take the eliminator and probably to get the license plate down here.
Right.
So yeah, main reason is like just to have more slim tone over here rather than these turn signals right over here. So I'm gonna use the turn signals right now. The turn signals are pretty good too. They're full LED as well. For most of the people, they get it because their OEM turn signals are like orange. They don't look good. These are pretty good from company, but I just wanted everything integrated. So all right, we're gonna remove this and then we're gonna install the new DMP power.
Get rid of this side.
These two right here. And it just took us like 3-4 minutes to take it out. You just basically need the back part out. You don't have to take anything else out.
Resistors.
As well on the whole wiring setup.
Alright guys, we got it installed. We're gonna go ahead and turn them on.
Alright.
Hit the brake. That's the brake. Looks pretty sick. Left turn signal looks good. Right turn signal looks good. Do you have hazards?
I do have hazards.
Okay, let's test those out. Yeah, they work. Looks great, man. Alright, so I'm going to explain this so you guys don't have run into the same issue.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're going to explain this so that way you guys don't run into the same issues we did. The RevZilla instructions were kind of, you know, iffy.
Yeah, they were not bike specific.
Yeah, so it was just kind of like, you know, the connectors are totally different.
Yeah.
So that way you guys can understand, I'm going to take this off the tripod. So the yellow wire, there's a yellow and a blue wire for the turn signals, okay? So this is for your brake, the brake light, and that's the ground. And then these are just runs power to the
Turn signals.
turn signals. So the yellow one
It's for the right.
is your right turn signal.
Yeah.
And then the blue one is the left turn signal. And the connectors for the turn signals are white, which is for the right, black for the left. And all you have to do is pull this out right here. See if you can get a light on that, man.
Okay.
So pull back on this, and it'll expose the wires in there. And one will be black, which is the ground, and then one will be a different color, which is blue, I believe. And then on the other one, on the black one, it's a brown wire that you want to hook up. You want to hook up the pin, the blue pin wire, to the brown pin wire. You'll see it. Just pull back on this little sleeve, on this thermal sleeve, and right in there. It's hard to make out on the camera. You can't really see it, but basically the yellow is right, blue is left. That's all you got to remember. And if you get lost, just test one of the pins, and you'll get it eventually. There's only 2 pins in there, right?
Yeah.
So we got it.
We got it. So it's not gonna take a long time. It's probably like, you know, if you don't run into the same issue as we are, you can probably get this done within 15 to 20 minutes. Max, I would say, is 30 minutes to remove it and put back everything. But it's a pretty simple and pretty quick procedure to get it all done. You guys out there who has the stock fender, you know, I had a fender limiter, so it was a little bit easy. So you guys who have the stock long one, you're probably like you're looking for like 30 minutes on it, 30 to 35 minutes. But it's pretty simple, quick, and it looks dope.
Yep. Anyway, that's it for the install. Here's one last look. Call it a day. So that's it for the what do they call them?
DMP, integrated power light, tail light for the FZ-10. It comes out for any other bikes. Just go on RevZilla and just, you know, put in your bike and get it. I think it looks pretty dope, and you can check it out for your bike. And so that's it, guys. We'll be doing more reviews, more windscreen and all that stuff. So
yeah, what are we doing next? The MRA windscreen?
MRA windscreen.
So we're gonna do the review for the MRA. I love MRA, man. MRA's like legit. I love their stuff. It's a true racing windscreen. Like super high quality, really durable. So I'm excited for that one.
Yeah, stay tuned for that, and yeah, we'll be doing reviews on other things too. So
Yep.
yeah.
Anyway,
guys,
that's it for now. Ready and peace.